Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this channel I show you everything you need to know about creating a WordPress website. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can create pages and menu for your website. Okay, so let's dive right in. So how do you create a page for your website? So what you just need to do is to come to pages and then click on add new. So it creates a page for you. So let's call this home. Okay, let's call it home. Let's make it capital home. Okay, and then we'll publish it. So know that to publish is of threefold. So you can decide to publish it publicly. So that means when you publish it, everybody with an internet connection will be able to view the page. But if you make it private, then only the site admins and the editors will be able to view the page. Then if you put a password on the page, that means only those with a password will be able to view the page. But let's just make it public. So publish it publicly and then we'll click on publish. Okay, so our new page is ready. You can decide to view the page here or not, but let's leave that. Let's go back to the dashboard. Now let's create a new page again. Okay, now this new page, let's call it services. Okay, services. All right, so publish again, publish. So we are creating new pages now for our websites. Okay, now let's create about us, contact us page. Okay, so let's call this one about us. All right, I'll publish again. Okay, that's very good. So let's add another page. Let's contact us page. Okay, contact us, contact us. Okay, that's good. So publish it. Now let's work with what we have. So now we want to create a menu. Now let us view this page to see what's there. Let's open a new tab. Yeah, so this is our own page. In fact, right now we can see the about us, contact us, home, and services. The menu is already set, but how can we create our own menu from the scratch? That's what we are going to do today. So this is the home page. There's nothing on the page. You remember the focus of this video is to teach you how to create a page and menu. Okay, so let's go back now to create a menu. So what's a menu, or what is a menu? So let's go back to the home page. So the menu are simply links on your own page that takes you to other pages. Now these links makes it so easy for users to navigate your website easily. That's what a menu is. So how do you create one? If you are enjoying this video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can continue to enjoy more premium content such as this. Well, we come to the appearance and then we come to menus. Okay. So now let's give our menu a name. So let's call this menu. Let's call the menu. Okay. So now let's make this on the primary menu and then we'll create a menu. All right, so now what do we need to do in this menu? So I want to add all these pages to the menu. So we click on it, click on this, and then we add it to a menu. All right, so that's it. So depending on how you want to arrange it, let's say you want the home page to be here, you can just easily drag it. You want the services to be next, you can drag it, contact us and about us follows. So you can easily do that while you create your menu. All right, so this is good. Now one thing about this is that you can actually make a secondary menu from it now. So that means when you click on home, you are going to see a sub item which is service. And when you now put this under it again, when you click on services, you also see it. So let's just practicalize what we've just done. Let's save the menu and then let's go to our pages, the home page. Okay, so let's go to home page. Very good. And then we view the page. Okay, let's edit with Elementor anyway. Okay, or let's just refresh this. Let's refresh this. Right, so this is the home page that we have. You can see what we are saying. Now this is the home page. You see that under home there is services, and under services there is contact us. Okay, and then there is the about us. Now we want to change this to make it have home, contact us, about us. So we'll go back again, go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, right here in the dashboard. So we'll come back to our appearances, then we'll come to menu. Okay, so what we just need to do, drag this back, and it becomes so visible. Okay, this really makes sense. Okay, now let's refresh this page. See that everything is here as the menu. Okay, so we now have a menu. So if we click on this link, it takes us to the services page. Okay, if you click on this, it takes us to the contact us page. We click on about us, it takes us to the page. Okay, so that's how you create a menu.